Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. Want to go over how we come up with some selections for stocks or crypto to trade. This specific video is going to be looking for a stock to buy. So in front of us is our trading view with our indicators loaded. We got the OP, force, and technometer at the bottom. Over here we have a list. I have pre-made lists, but we have sector stock lists that we can share to subscribers. It gives you all these groups here. And as you can see, we've got the Wyckoff Wave Gambling added here. And behind here is the vertical line chart for the gambling sector. Up here we have the sector stock layout. You can see here that I've set up different setups for different sectors in crypto and also the Wyckoff Wave stock sectors. I can share those too if you're a subscriber. So we have sector stock layout, we have sector stock list, and then in front of us we have the indicator added for Wyckoff stock sectors. We'll hide that. And then here is a vertical line that I put on the date of this low on 8/5/2024. And you can see from that point, the gambling index is up 24%. And in the last 3 months, it's up 16%. That's very good performance. So that looks like a sector we might want to be looking at. So we want to dive in deeper. So what we do then is we come over here. We want to load the Wyckoff Wave Gambling Index. So now it loads the gambling index. So it loads the 8 stocks that we have that make up that index. And then we're going to drag it over to so we can somewhat see from that low on 8/5. And then let's click these to get everything to show up exactly how we want. Now all these are set up and moving exactly as we want. And then we look at this chart, and the first thing that caught my attention when I was helping another subscriber is here in the top left. You can see every chart has its OP and force, but quickly I could see that the OP had made a new low here while price was much higher and the technometer was oversold. So just looking at this on just this short time period, it looks like we had a pretty strong rally and then a pullback. So what we want to do then is, out of these 8 stocks, we want to look into Golden Entertainment a little bit deeper. Now here we are with Golden Entertainment, just looking at it, and I'm like, well, nice setup here with Wyckoff labeling. We got a nice trading range here. We had some major selling come into this low. Looks like we had a spring here. We also sprung these 2 lows, and then a quick sign of strength. And really the way I got it here with the resistance line, could be a nice jump across the creek and a backup. Again, you can see selling coming in here, which is done by the 5-minute volume. And price has jumped and backed up while there's been major selling coming in. That's a very bullish divergence. And then we have a technometer that's as oversold as we have had it on this complete chart. So even at these major selling areas, technometer was never as oversold as it was here, which means that there's been major selling here in this area and it's bringing price down almost none. So this stock looks like it's ready to obviously go through these highs at 34.60, 34.75. Risk could really just be, maybe risk it down here to 32, 32.50, somewhere in there. That looks like a high quality trade setup that you definitely want to take, and it was quickly and easily found. So if you're interested in these indicators, go to WyckoffSMI.com, click on for the Trading View Wyckoff Indicator Bundle. We've got it very cheap, and this is exactly why you want to be using these indicators at TradingView. And as I mentioned earlier, we have the same indicators for the crypto markets, so you can buy that at WyckoffSMI.com as well, or LearnCrypto.io. Have a great day.